Racing just is started. We have Shadow Straps, break quick, let us start. Scout Ranger, Meadowland is down on the inside. Moving up, GI Speedball, Bohemian Dave in the middle. Makisig, Don't Explain. Then next on line is Small Town Lady, while Subaru is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Shadow Straps by about 3 lengths. Scout Ranger in second. Then on the outside, GI Speedball. Bohemian Dave comes next. Alongside comes Makisig. Meadowland, Don't Explain. Subaru now second less. While Small Town Lady now racing in less half mile distance they traveled. We have Shadow Straps by our length, and in second now is GI Speedball. Then next online Scout Ranger. Moving apart the outside, Makisig, Bohemian Dave. Meadowland comes next, Subaru, Don't Explain, and Small Town Lady still racing less. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Shadow Straps, this time by about 3 lengths. GI Speedball in second. Moving up down on the inside, Scout Ranger, Makisig as they swing for home. We have Shadow Straps by about 4 lengths. GI Speedball in second, Scout Ranger, Makisig. Last 75 meters from start to finish, it's Shadow Straps. Second is GI Speedball. Then comes Scout Ranger, Makisig, close Meadowland, and Bohemian Dave.